Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm here to share with you a little bit more about My Legion Secrets. Today is going to be a training. I'm not going to go through the results as such, but My Legion Secrets is something that I am literally loving and enjoying the entire process. So if you're really focused on getting sales and commissions with your affiliate marketing journey, I highly recommend you to take a look at this traffic. I'm keeping it 100% real. I have an entire playlist on My Legion Secrets in the description of this video, and you can feel free to, join with the link in the description as well. Guys, let's go ahead and share my screen and give you guys a little bit of training on My Legion Secrets. Welcome guys. As I mentioned, I'm on my computer and I wanted to share with you specifically some training on My Legion Secrets. But before I get into any of the details, I do want to go and open Facebook so that you guys can actually see something interesting. But more than anything else, I want to share with you what My Legion Secrets is all about. So My Legion Secrets, guys, is a email marketing traffic source. What do I mean by that? It solves two problems, as I say this in each and every video. And I wanted to enter into the people who are watching this video. I really want you guys to understand and educate yourselves on what it is. So educating yourself on what it is basically means that it's solving two problems for me. As an affiliate marketer, I am focused on traffic generation. That is my main skill set that I'm always improving, learning, growing, and that's what I'm focused on. Improving my whole sales process, right? So traffic generation is the key to that. Now, if I'm doing on traffic generation, as a new beginner, I would need to find a free source like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, whatever you name it. You have social media in general out there as free traffic sources, but it takes a lot of time and effort. For somebody who has a full-time job, you would think, am I able to find a affordable traffic source? Because I don't have results. I don't have I don't have the time, the experience to actually get the results in the beginning. So I need to have something that's affordable for me to spend time on those results and get those results. So I'm not guaranteeing you any results, but what My Legion Secrets does is that it gives you 100 leads every day. So you're solving the problem of looking for leads. So initially, if you have social media, what are you doing? You're creating content to get clicks, to then get leads. So it's a longer process. You're cutting the whole process. You're cutting the whole line. You're skipping it. You're taking a shortcut in a way, and getting 100 leads every single day to your offer. So these 100 leads, this is the whole purpose of My Legion Secrets, is to give you 100 emails every single 100 to 200 emails every single day for you to then email those leads, and then you can get a conversion in your sales. You can get more people on your email list. You can do whatever you want. You can send people to your YouTube channel. You can do whatever you want with them. But the aim is, as an affiliate marketer, I send it to a product or service that I am offering. Okay, so 100 leads go to that product or service that I am offering. That's simply it. That's how I look at it. That's how I function with it. And that's how I'm using it. I use it as a traffic source. So it is a traffic source that solves two problems. One, I don't have to look for traffic. Two, it gives me an opportunity to email my list, email the people that are on this list every single day, and it improves my email marketing skills. So the second skill as an affiliate marketer is knowing how to do email marketing and focusing on that. So what converts the emails? How do you how do you write an email, copywriting, basically to get somebody to in a buying intent, in a buying decision, to then take out their credit card and actually buy that product or service that you are an affiliate for, right? So these are the two things that have a very congruent relationship with one another, and that's what we need. Now, just so you guys can see that I'm not talking and just sharing example, I want to give you guys some proof. I'm just going to the My Legion Secrets proof group, and I'm literally going to go to search, and I'm just going to search my own activity so that you guys understand. And you can see these are my results, that I'm getting consistent sales. So I'm giving guys, tips as well in this group, by the way. So if you do decide to get My Legion Secrets, guys, the link is in the description. The link will be to this page right here. Once you do get it, please reach out to me on Facebook. Link to my Facebook is also in the description of this video. And then ask me to be in this group, because I'm sharing a lot of insights in this members group as well. This is only for members. So once you've joined, I will let you in. If you're not a member, I'm not going to let you in this group. Okay, so you can see that there are sales from here. This is May 2nd, April 27th. Now, guys, I'm shooting this video at the beginning of May. So by the time this video comes out, which is, I believe, mid-May, you can still see that these are fresh results, but I'm sure that there will be more results towards the end of May. The most realistic time that you can watch a video on My Legion Secrets for me is my monthly update report, which also is every single month. So you guys can check that out and see this. But you can see that it's another $20 sale. I woke up to $32 here, $20 sale here, $38 sale here. They're paying me as well, $30. They paid me, so I got that money out of the system. Here's another $5 sale in My Legion Secrets itself. Here's another $55 that I earned this week, which was basically $32 sale that day. Another $20 sale that day. Another $25 sale. And it goes on and on and on. So I've done this since the beginning of March, and you can see this is my first post on March 22nd. And this is the proof that this traffic works. Okay, so that's why I personally have My Legion Secrets. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a summary and the proof that it does work. It costs $60, guys, to get started the first month, and then it costs $30 every single month after that, $1 a day, basically. Now, if you're already a member of My Legion Secrets and you jump to this section right here, that's absolutely fine. I wanted to just show you the whole system. When you join My Legion Secrets, it's very simple. You can have the quick start video right here. You can have you go to the resources right here. And if you want to see about the affiliate program, you can check it out right here. And it also gives you a possibility to create a message immediately. You have an affiliate link. You have your other tabs right here. It's a very done for you system. You can see all the leads that you get every single day from the first day that I've got. So you can see the first leads that I've got on the 6th of March. I have them here, and till date, all the leads that I do get are here in my system, in my leads. Then you have the master email swipes. I personally do not have this product, but if you do want this product, great. You can get the master swipes there. I don't do it because I'm practicing my own email marketing skills. So I want to see what's working for me. I don't want any swipes and shortcuts along the way. I'm personally putting in the work and effort to write an email every day, but some people do want it. So if you do, you can get the swipes right here. Then you have the mailing system, and this is a really nice mailing system. You can choose to be either the email that is sent has the partner's name by the lead partner. So each of these leads that you get have a category like partner 1, partner 2, partner 3. They're not going to share the names, but it's coming from a specific source. Or you can just mail by the date. So you can either select by partner, and they will share with you how many leads you're getting basically from certain partners, and you have 900 from this partner, 900 from 2, 3. You can see right here, and then you can just select and say maybe partner 1 emails are working better. So you can choose how you want to do this. I usually do it by date. I don't do it by lead partner. I usually just select all by date, and that's it. Once you reach 9,000, by the way, guys, it hits a limit, but you can remove this. So I have 10,500 leads right now, but I'm sending email to only 9,000, but you just need to send an email to support if you want this threshold to be removed. I personally don't at the moment because I can see the older leads are here and the newer leads are here. So I'm just keeping it at 9,000 and seeing how it functions from there. Then you can send with your name or send it from My Legion Secrets. I personally wanted to send from my name because I don't know how My Legion Secrets replies. So send from David Pinto always shows there, but it shows no reply My Legion Secrets. So basically the email that they'll get in their inbox will show my name. So they get used to my name. They get familiar with my name. There's a know, like, and trust factor with these people that I'm sending an email out every single day. So that's why I have my name there. These are, if you have emails that you've written in the past, they all get saved right here. And you just can click on load and it loads. You can see loads a subject, and then it loads the rest as well right here. And then you have used the below codes in case you want to add your first name, full name. I usually do just first name. Some people like to add the date and different other things, but I just use first name. I don't use anything else. I don't complicate my emails. There's a video tutorial right here, which explains to you guys everything. And if you have any other questions, you can always ask. There is also mailing video right here, which gives you a whole 30-minute overview of the entire mailing system itself. Now, what I want to share with you in this video is really interesting. It's going to be related to this button right here, which is source code. Okay, so how do you edit your emails with the source code? So I'm going to use this as an example just to, now nothing is here. Okay, you can see that it's blank. And if I go to source, it's also blank. If I say hi, you'll see that in the source right here, which is basically HTML, will show you the text editor saying PP, which basically this is the code itself. All of this code can be there. So I'm gonna give you guys an example and then show you how it works. So I'm going to load this email. I'm going to go to source, and you can see right here now, it shares everything. So this source code keeps everything quite fixed to font sizes and hyperlinks, and you don't have to do anything much. So sometimes what I do, I'm going to try to do it for you guys here. So you see, I'm going to edit and I'm going to save the source code just to give you guys an idea of how it looks like. Okay, so let's say I'm writing a new email. So I have an email prepared already. I'm going to be sending tomorrow, but I'm just going to share with you right here. Right. So let's say I want to write this email. This is the email. This is the email that I want to write. Just copy pasted it, but this is the email. I'm going to remove the subject because this is not important for me right now. I just want to show you how to use the source code. So you can see right here, it is not a specific size. So the first edit that I want to do is I want to select all. So I'm going to Control A if you don't know. Otherwise, you can just select it all. Sorry. Select all. And then I'm going to make my font 18 because usually I like to make it bigger. It's really up to you. The source code is, while I'm doing all these edits, guys, is changing. Okay, so if I bold this, cool. And this is also bold, so that's fine. Let's say I hyperlink this. Okay, so let's just do a quick hyperlink so that you guys can see. And I say I'm hyperlinking it with this link right here, just to give you guys an idea. Okay, and I'm putting this as red and blah. That's it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to source, and this is my entire source. So sometimes to make my life easier, because I'm sending this email tomorrow, I copy the code and I just save. For now, I'm just going to open some random. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah. So I'm just going to put the source code right here so that you guys can see. Oops, and paste. So I just added the source code right here just so that you guys can understand. And now I'm going to reload this page. I'm going to refresh the page so that you understand what I'm doing. Say now that you're coming to your email the next day and you want everything, at least your email here. You can see that the source is different right now. Okay, this whole attention, replace text, blah, blah, blah is there. Let's say you write your subject. And just to give you guys a little bit of an idea, I'm just putting trying to get off vacation mode. And I copy the source. I just select the entire source right here. I copy all of this, which is what I already did my edit, right? So I edited my video, say a day before and stuff like that. And I save this code. I think that's it, right? Yeah. Copy it. And I just go to source and I paste it here. It's too much blanks. And literally once I go off the source, it will be edited in the exact same way, including the link which I needed to send the email out. So this saves a lot of time. So I wanted to share with you about just understanding the source code and understanding how kind of it works. But this is how I also added, for example, and this is something I want to show you guys now. This is also how I added my signature. So my face right here, and my signature also through a source code. So if I scroll down here, you can see that this is a different source altogether because it has like image and body. So I used another tool to actually create this signature, and then I just copied the source code and added the source code here. And that's how it has. And this source code, basically the image is a link. So you can see that there's a link right here. And also the name is linked, but the image is a link is the main thing for me. So if somebody clicks on the image, they basically get taken to where I would like to direct them. So that's a little bit more about My Legion Secrets mailing system. I think it's a very robust system in itself for mailing. And then you can keep track of your statistics. Just to give you guys an understanding, the statistics more or less is around 15% click-through rate. Usually that's a good number to be on, and getting 100 to 200 clicks on, I want to reach 200 clicks on 9,000 leads. That would be epic for me. 200 clicks per day is quite cool to have with 9,000 leads. So that's something that I'm personally aiming for. And yeah, guys, if you're interested in My Legion Secrets, the link is going to be in the description. Like I showed you, it does work. I have enough proof of it that it's working. Maybe this traffic is not for everybody. If you're just looking at it and you want to share a good traffic source to somebody else, maybe you don't want to use it, then the link is also in the description. It's up to you. I don't use it as an income source, but just to give you guys an idea, it is becoming an income source. So I have already 5 members who have joined. I've not really promoted it that much except for doing videos and twice a week in my emails that I send out. I do have a decent amount of commissions. I've basically been paid $50 so far. $20 is not yet paid, and $30 I've already taken out of my account. So the moment I reach $30 again, I will withdraw another $30. So this is becoming an income source for me. It's not something that I'm focused on. But if you do want to get started with My Legion Secret, the whole link is in the description and you can get started there. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next one.